Catalytic Industrial Systems is the world leader in the research, development, manufacturing, and documentation of high-efficiency heating and curing equipment. Our primary focus is gas catalytic infrared heating, a technology known for its track record of reliability, consistency of results, and flexibility of use. Today, gas catalytic infrared heating is also known as the technology with the most favorable life cycle cost. Each spike in the cost of foreign oil strengthens our belief that powering critical process equipment with clean, affordable natural gas, America's power source, is wise today and even more wise as we plan for tomorrow. CIS introduced gas catalytic infrared heating to North America and has adapted this important technology to the needs of private and public sector companies across the continent. Today, we have more than a half-century of experience providing high-performance industrial oven systems to virtually every sector of industry. Whether it's for a continuous inline system for a high production environment or a lean, efficient manual system for batch processing, Catalytic Industrial custom designs and manufactures several major types of industrial oven systems and offers more design and engineering capability and greater manufacturing and testing resources than any company in North America. Our capability with custom industrial ovens includes catalytic infrared full cure ovens, multiple zone combination ovens that use both infrared and convection heating, and infrared wrap-up ovens, which are used three ways: as add-ons to an existing oven, as a retrofit into an existing oven, or as a separate oven system for curing both powder and liquid finishes. Other custom industrial ovens we manufacture include convection ovens, drying and preheating ovens, portable heating systems for spot curing applications, and area heating systems for hazardous locations. Here are a few insights and comparisons about the oven types most customers want today. Of our major product categories, catalytic infrared full cure ovens are what we're best known for worldwide. Catalytic infrared technology dates to World War I, when it was discovered that hydrocarbon fuel energy could be converted to usable heat without a flame. To achieve this, a catalyst is preheated, and when the energy source contacts the heated catalyst, the oxidation-reduction reaction produces infrared energy. Because the catalytic reaction occurs at a temperature lower than the ignition temperature of natural gas, there is no flame of any kind. Once the reaction begins, it is self-sustaining and can reach temperatures of 800 degrees or higher. It is one of the most efficient process technologies used in industry. Some of the largest global manufacturers in the automotive, appliance, electronics, recreational goods, and building industries use the consistent high-quality cure provided by our catalytic infrared ovens. These fine companies include Cessna, Caterpillar, John Deere, Link-Belt, and Ameristar Fence. Infrared cure ovens from CIS combine great process flexibility, long service life, and the very efficient use of energy. Catalytic infrared can cure liquid finishes in as little as 1/10 the time required by traditional convection ovens. In the case of waterborne coatings, this fast cure cycle is possible because the peak absorption of water is a perfect lock and key fit with the infrared emission spectrum of our catalytic infrared systems. The Catalytic engineering team has many decades of experience adapting advanced infrared curing technology to the needs of companies who require an efficient, consistent cure. Today, more than ever, reducing cycle time is critical to keeping costs under control and productivity high. Whether you're curing liquid or powder, or both, the Catalytic team has the experience and knowledge to help you succeed. Catalytic's engineering team can design a system that will generate the precise infrared energy distribution needed to achieve a uniform cure for the parts you process. Combination ovens, which provide both infrared and convection heating, are considered the best of both worlds for many applications. This is true for companies who apply all types of coatings. It is also true for job shop facilities that have a changeable mix of parts to be coated. In a combination oven, the first section of the oven space is fitted with infrared capability. The infrared energy provides quick, efficient preheating or gelling of the parts ahead of the convection cure. There are several ways in which this configuration immediately saves energy. First, because infrared offers the distinct advantage of ramping up quickly, it reduces total cure time and minimizes the footprint of the equipment overall. With infrared heating on the front end, the convection section can start to work immediately. While this is useful for all parts, it is critical for powder coating. When used for curing powder, infrared energy gels the powder, preventing it from becoming dislodged before it can be cured. Infrared also helps prevent cross-contamination in facilities that use more than one color of powder or would like to add this capability. Catalytic combination systems can be designed to accommodate a broad range of part sizes and configurations, including parts with complex shapes. With the right PLC controls, the infrared energy in a catalytic combination oven can even be tailored to the specific needs of individual parts. These are just a few reasons why catalytic combination oven systems are a leading choice of large job shops and major Tier 1 part suppliers. Another catalytic product capability is ramp-up ovens. These are a very cost-effective way to increase production or production speed, often without taking up additional floor space. Ramp-up ovens can be added on as a retrofit to an existing oven or integrated with a new oven. Ramp-up ovens substantially boost the productivity of both infrared and convection ovens. CIS ramp-up ovens are an excellent answer for companies who are converting from liquid finishing to powder coating and need to maintain the integrity of powder distribution. They are also ideal for solvent or water-based liquid finishing. In either case, they're positioned upstream of the main heating zone and can facilitate a significantly faster production cycle. Catalytic ramp-up ovens allow any new or existing convection or infrared oven to complete its work more quickly, because part surface and coating will both be at optimum temperature when they enter the primary curing stage. Catalytic sales engineers and tech support specialists can demonstrate how a ramp-up oven can immediately trim both your energy costs and cycle times while improving the consistency of your cure and reducing finish defects. CIS convection ovens are an economical choice for companies that coat many different part sizes and configurations. They're particularly advantageous when parts with different material thicknesses are cured together. CIS convection ovens provide an excellent and highly consistent cure for liquid-based coatings. CIS ovens distribute heat evenly and are well suited to parts with complex geometries. Heat energy is of moderate rather than high intensity, so convection is compatible with a broad range of substrates. Catalytic Industrial has more than a half-century of experience in the engineering and manufacturing of ovens and control systems that meet customers' immediate and long-range goals. We're proud to enjoy a strong working partnership with leading coatings manufacturers. Our extensive R&D capabilities let us test under production conditions the cure performance of any new or reformulated powder coating or liquid finish. As a result, our technical team is often called upon when manufacturers are developing new coating chemistries and want to prove them in a laboratory environment that can replicate the line speeds and other parameters of a production shop and precisely document the results. Catalytic drying ovens quickly dry parts following cleaning or pre-treatment stages and prior to the application of paints, powder coatings, rust preventatives, adhesives, or inks. Catalytic dry-off ovens are also flameless, clean, and fast. Catalytic dry-off ovens heat parts rather than the air, and as the temperature of the product surface rises, drying is accomplished quickly and thoroughly. Catalytic dry-off ovens also have an excellent safety advantage. There are no lamps, quartz tubes, or flames. Only clean catalytic infrared heat emitted directly and safely to do its work. Catalytic's mission is not just to sell you an oven system. Rather, our mission is to thoroughly understand your process and facility and to work with you to engineer the most efficient, most cost-effective way to reach your process objectives. Catalytic Industrial Systems is a company driven by science. Proving your process in our infrared oven laboratory is the most important service we provide. For customers, it's an invaluable opportunity to test various what-if scenarios and determine if small modifications in system specifications, conveyance, ramp-up, or other factors can achieve a better result. Catalytic's infrared testing lab offers real-world research and testing. The heart of our lab is a production-scale infrared oven that accommodates a variety of part sizes, any liquid or powder paint, adhesive, or other coating. It can precisely replicate the manufacturing process you work with every day. Whether you process in batch or in a continuous line, CIS has the technology and the experience to supply a custom-engineered oven that will meet your process requirements. NFPA, National Fire Protection Association, sets the standards for ovens, and NFPA 86 is the universal standard that applies to industrial oven systems. Every system manufactured by CIS for customers anywhere in the world comfortably meets this standard. Our catalytic heaters are factory mutual approved for Class 1, Division 2, Group D areas. They are also approved by the Canadian Standards Association for Class 1, Division 1 and 2, Group D hazardous areas. Because catalytic IR heaters are used throughout the EU, we maintain full compliance with ATEX requirements and carefully monitor and work to comply with evolving standards that may affect our customers in the future. In 2008, for example, the European Commission, EC, proposed revisions to current legislation. By monitoring the content and progress of these proposals, Catalytic is best able to serve its customers worldwide with systems that are immediately certifiable, as well as socially responsible. Catalytic IR heaters are also approved by Tokyo Gas, an important certification we earned and have maintained for more than a decade. Catalytic gas-fired infrared ovens and infrared heating systems have long been the environmental choice of OEMs and their suppliers, as well as leading job shops. They are truly the most green alternative because their use of natural gas is preferable to electricity, which mainly comes from burning coal. Other environmental factors that favor our gas-fired infrared ovens include the high efficiency of heat transfer that only infrared provides, and substantial reductions in fan horsepower requirements, which minimizes the amount of electricity consumed. If your company has made a commitment to green technology, Catalytic Industrial Systems can show you how an upgrade to energy-saving, environmentally friendly catalytic infrared heating can not only deliver the performance you need, but give you much more green in both your emissions and your wallet. Catalytic Industrial designs infrared ovens and heating systems for every process, substrate, product, and product form. We are the industry experts at making the most of what infrared offers, from developing an equipment footprint that's most effective for your facility, to helping with product positioning and emitter intensity, two factors that can substantially influence the efficiency of the cure process. Systems range from portable and batch systems to programmable inline systems for high-throughput 24/7 manufacturing facilities. Catalytic industrial oven systems have a broad range of important standard features and options that include programmable controls, exhaust and recirculation systems, interior lighting, and NFPA 86 compliance. We have an in-house control engineering group and can manage the interfacing of our infrared heating systems with plant-wide controls and with material handling up and downstream. Startup assistance is always available. From dry-off and preheating of products to full curing of paints, powder coatings, and adhesives, we are the industry leader in high-performance oven technology.